Our planet is teeming with life. It's also teeming with waste. As we advance technologically, consume more and expand our populations, the mountains of garbage we generate grow larger. Landfills overflow, oceans choke on plastic, and recycling efforts struggle to keep pace. The question then arises, where do we put all this stuff? Some have proposed a radical solution: space. Imagine launching our trash away from Earth, sending it on a one-way trip to the cosmos. At first glance, it seems like a tempting solution, a way to rid ourselves of waste and preserve our planet. However, the reality of space waste disposal is far more complicated than it appears. The challenges are numerous, the risks significant. Before we even consider hurling our trash into the void, we must carefully weigh the implications, both ethical and practical. The fate of our planet, and indeed the future of space exploration itself, may hang in the balance. The concept of using space for waste disposal is not new. Science fiction has long toyed with the idea, often depicting vast orbiting landfills or trash-filled asteroids. But is this a viable solution for our real-world waste problem, or merely a convenient plot device? Proponents of space waste disposal argue that it offers a way to permanently remove waste from Earth. Instead of burying it in landfills or dumping it in the ocean, we could launch it into the vastness of space, where it would pose no threat to our planet. This, they claim, would free up valuable land, reduce pollution, and perhaps even provide a source of raw materials in the future. However, critics are quick to point out the numerous flaws in this logic. Launching large quantities of waste into space would be incredibly expensive, requiring countless rocket launches and consuming vast amounts of energy. Moreover, there is no guarantee that the waste would remain in a stable orbit. Collisions with other space debris or gravitational perturbations could send it hurtling back towards Earth, creating a dangerous rain of garbage. The challenges of space waste disposal are not limited to cost and logistics. There are also significant ethical considerations. Space is a shared resource belonging to all of humanity. Dumping waste in space could be seen as cosmic littering. Introducing foreign material could have catastrophic effects on ecosystems. We must proceed with extreme caution. Address the root cause of our garbage problem: overconsumption. Embrace sustainable practices and innovative recycling. Only then can we be responsible stewards of our planet. Section 4. AI, the cosmic cleanup crew. Space exploration generates waste, posing a threat to future spaceflight. Debris like satellites and rocket parts can become dangerous projectiles. This debris risks collisions, jeopardizing communication and astronaut safety. AI can analyze debris trajectories, predicting potential collisions. AI systems guide robotic arms to capture and deorbit debris. AI also helps design sustainable spacecraft, minimizing waste. Section 5. To dump or not to dump. The idea of launching our trash into space might seem appealing at first glance, but a deeper examination reveals a host of complications. The cost would be astronomical, the environmental risks significant, and the ethical implications troubling. While the vastness of space might seem like an easy solution to our waste problems, it's crucial to remember that space is not a limitless dumping ground. Instead of looking to space as a cosmic garbage can, we must first address the root causes of our wastefulness here on Earth. We must reduce, reuse, and recycle with greater urgency and find innovative ways to create a more sustainable future. This requires a global effort, a collective realization that the resources of our planet are finite and that our actions have consequences. Perhaps in the future, when we have learned to manage our waste responsibly here on Earth, we can revisit the question of space waste disposal. But for now, our focus must be on preserving the one planet we know can sustain us, our own. Section 6. A final frontier or a final dumping ground? The allure of space, with its seemingly limitless expanse, can be intoxicating. It's tempting to view it as a blank canvas, ripe for our exploration and even exploitation. However, as we venture further into the cosmos, we must do so with a sense of responsibility, recognizing that our actions have consequences that extend far beyond our own planet. The question of space waste disposal, while seemingly straightforward, forces us to confront fundamental questions about our relationship with the universe. Are we entitled to treat space as our own personal dumping ground, Or do we have a moral obligation to preserve its pristine beauty for future generations? The answers to these questions will shape the future of space exploration and determine our legacy as a species. Let us strive to be responsible stewards of the cosmos, ensuring that the final frontier remains a source of wonder and inspiration for generations to come.